The Powerball jackpot rose yet again to an estimated $1 billion after no winning ticket was sold for the latest drawing. No ticket for Monday's drawing matched the white balls 5, 8, 9, 17, 41, and red Powerball 2. The jackpot was estimated at $900 million. The new jackpot for Wednesday's drawing will be the third highest in U.S. history and will keep growing until someone wins. Ticket buyers have a chance at $1 billion paid out in yearly increments or a $516.8 million one-time lump sum before taxes. 3 people won $2 million after matching all 5 numbers plus the power play, lottery officials said. The winning tickets were sold in Arkansas, Georgia, and Texas. 5 people won $1 million after matching all 5 numbers. The winning tickets were sold in Connecticut, Florida, Kentucky, New York, and Pennsylvania.